How to add custom fields in Hostinger Appointments Checkout. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a custom field into your checkout of the appointments. So basically it is going to be a very easy step. You are going to head over hostinger.com. Then you are going to sign in for your account and so you are going to see the H panel, which is going to be the dashboard. This is the H panel. Now, what we're going to do is to head over the websites, click on the left side of the screen on websites, then you are going to select websites list. Now, when you are here, you're going to scroll down a little bit and select one of the websites that you have. For example, you're going to have this one and you're going to click on edit website. So I'm going to select this one and make sure that at least I have added some appointments or I have enabled the appointments first. So how you can know and add or enable the appointments, you're going to click on the store button or add store manage store. From here, you're going to scroll down until you're going to see appointments. Click on it. And if you haven't added an appointment yet, you're going to see the button of add or enable the appointments. You're going to add it or set up the availability time and also the block time, working hours, and etc. So for the availability, it is going to be the days, the region, or the time zone, also the hours, working hours, as you can see. And the block time is going to be the days that you are not going to work, even if you have the availability. Once you have set up this, you're going to head over the checkout on the settings, click on checkout, and you're going to here have the checkout policies, the custom options. So after you have set up the policies like the terms and conditions, also the privacy policy, you're going to have here the custom options. If you want to require a phone number, which is going to be mandatory, and also how you can add a custom field to the checkout. You can make it mandatory or make it optional. So the field is going to be something that you're going to let the people, or let's say the customers are going to be filling that field with something that they need. For example, here we are going to put something like in the appointments, we've had already some referrals. So if it is going to be a referral from, for example, someone that has been at the specific, let's say, event, or they have attended a meeting or appointments before, so we are going to give them the gift. For example, I don't know. Here I'm short of ideas and I'm not going to think a lot about it. It is going to be up to you and your imaginations and also your marketing skills. So, for example, we are going to type in here put or referral number for free gift. You are going to put it like that and you're going to let it as optional. When you finish, you're going to click on save. After that, do not forget to set up the payment methods because nothing will work without the payments. And then you are going to select it or preview your website just like that. You're going to head over the, for example, I don't know here, the appointments, and then you're going to add your specific consultation or the appointments for the thing in here. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.